what? Chicken pie and milkshake, chocolate milkshake. Okay, so these are the items around the ingredients used in preparing a meat pie and a chocolate milkshake. So I'll quickly go through them one after the other. Now these are flour, a all-purpose flour. Okay, these are all-purpose flour for a meat pie. It's used to make the dough for the meat pie. Okay, so that's for that. These are eggs. All right, it's used for meat pie. These are margarine. Okay, please don't go close. You don't speed on what we're doing. So these are margarines. These are margarines. They're used for meat pie production. We have our milk flavor. These are milk. This is not milk. This is a milk flavor. Okay, this is a milk flavor. Then we also have our liquid milk here. We also have what? Our liquid milk. Okay, here we have our nutmeg, which we used for the dough. It enhances the smell, the aroma, the odor of the dough. Okay, so that's that. We have our baking powder. Okay, we have our salt, pinch of salt. Over here, our vegetables. These are Irish potato, sliced already. These are carrots. Okay, these are white onion. And these are green pepper. Okay, they're actually used for your chicken pie. Then we have minced chicken. Okay, it has been cooked, sauced, and blended. Okay, these are minced chicken. Okay, which we used for the filling. Here we also have our white pepper. Okay. So these are white pepper. Okay, I remember I've seen white pepper before. Okay, beautiful. So these are white pepper. Then here we have our seasonings. Okay, a seasoning for the filling. Okay, so these are the ingredients for making our chicken pie. Oh, these are ingredients for making. Actually, I didn't mention what. I didn't mention vegetable oil, which we use to fry our vegetables, our chicken pie fillings. Okay, all right, that's for that. Now next is our milkshake. Remember we're making chocolate milkshake drink, right? Okay, so for that we're going to make use of milk. See our milk over here, right? We're going to make use of our liquid milk. We're going to make use of chocolates. So you can see our chocolates here, right? Okay, then this is these are soy sauce. Okay, we're going to be using it as a dropping for our chocolate milkshake. Okay. Then what's this? These are caramel syrup. We're still going to be using it for a dropping for our chocolate, milkshake. Okay. All right. So that's for that. This can be. These are chocolate biscuits. For our flour, we have 3 kg, 3 kilograms for our flour. We have what? 3 kilograms. Ideally, the ratio between your flour and your butter is supposed to be 1:2. What do I mean by 1:2? If, for instance, we're making use of 500 grams of flour, we're going to make use of 250 grams of butter to get a moist and very nice dough. Do you understand? So we're going to make use of 500 grams of flour and 250 grams of butter. Do you understand? So now we have 3 kg, which is how many grams? 500 grams. Do you understand what I just said? 3 kg, remember kg is bigger than grams, right? Now we have 3 kg. If you multiply, if you want to convert it to grams, 3 kg is what? 3,000 grams. And remember I said for 500 grams, you're going to make use of what? 250 grams of butter. One sachet butter weighs 250. One sachet butter, it weighs 250 grams. Can we see it? Can you see it? One sachet butter weighs 250 grams. So for 3 kg of flour, we're going to use 6 sachet butter. Remember I said 1:2. 250 times 6 will give us what? 1,000. Yes. Yes. 250 times 6. Yeah. Let's solve. 250 times 6. Yes. 1,500 grams. I remember I said the ratio of butter to flour should be 1:2. When you break down 1,500, when you divide it, 1,500 all over 3,000, you get 1/2. Do you understand? So the ratio should be 1:2. So we're going to make use of 6 sachet butter. Equivalent 3, same with the salt. Just to make it do a bit tasty, so you can use your salt alone for it, okay? Alright, so I think we're done with our baking powder. Now same, Your 500 gram goes with a teaspoon of baking powder. Now, because we have 500 grams of flour in our bowl, we're going to use 6 teaspoons of, which is equivalent to 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Alright, I want to put my carrots now because as soon as I'm done putting the carrots, I'll leave for just a little while and it's out of fire. So I want to make our chocolate milkshake. Okay? The items for these are chocolate. So these are chocolates, okay? These are chocolate. These are milk. Alright? These are milk, and this will be the drop. We're gonna use it as what they call it, dropping on the milkshake when we are done. So what I want to do now is to put the chocolate in a blender alongside the milk and blend together. Okay, so that's what we're doing now. Open up. are doing now, listen, we're just going to drop our ice into the cup to make it cool, okay? We are putting our ice in the cup. Please let me come.